not going to speak while you do this? No.
So, no.
Not once? No, silent video of you doing weird stuff with a stick.
You don't want to film me?
Why not? This is
'Cause
ridiculous.
I'm the...
So you can kind of see me.
Alright.
Did you mess up again?
No, got it.
I want to have a shower. I smell like placenta.
Oh, you are placenta.
Did I ruin your video?
No, it's fine. I know how to edit.
Right. That's helped.
Okay,
hasn't it?
done. You can stop filming now until... So, film this. No, not me, this. Emma.
I'm just struggling a bit.
No.
You keep, like, messing about.
Me?
Oh my god, you keep moving about so. Brilliant.
You see what I'm doing?
What is that breathing? You're struggling.
It's intense.
I
You can't
really-
mess up the custom Switch controller.
Not gonna lie, I don't think this is really working. Can I please put it down?
You can put it down for now.
Oh look, that's perfect. Yeah, that's well good.
Sarcasm.
No, look, you can see everything that's going on except when you put that like.
I'm just securing it.
What have you done?
What do you mean, what have I done?
Like, why is it so hard?
It's like I'm having to tape everything. It's so difficult. I think I'm finally done. I actually. Oh, this is great. This is great. So, do you like it? What's your reaction?
What do you think?
That's bad. So that's how to make a custom Switch controller. Thanks for watching.
That is the worst video I've ever seen. I look ridiculous with my glasses and then my controller. Go away.
I want a game with that controller.
Yeah, alright.
You can win.
Alright. Why am I going out? Go away! What the hell is that? Why have you put a stick between them? It's not funny. It's so weird.
Because that's how the controller is meant to be.
What do you
You
mean?
know, see, you know.
What? It's not how that is. If you write to Nintendo and ask how are we supposed to hold our controllers, they send you that picture of that. Switch on a stick. You're weird. It wouldn't stick to the stick, would it?
No, it wouldn't. It only sticks to the paper. So I had to do that.
You're. I have no words.